I completely forgot what I was going to say. Take two. If you're looking for ways to make your life a little easier around the holidays, I've got some hacks coming up for you next. Hey there, and welcome to Real Chicks TV. I'm your Real Chick Carla, and on this channel we test products and tips and hacks that are weird, strange, bizarre, interesting, or downright unusual to see if they really work. And today I've got 5 Christmas hacks for you to make your life easier. Are the edges of your Christmas wrapping out of control and driving you crazy, and you really want to get them nice and smooth and organized just like they were when you first opened them? We can do that really easy. Take a toilet paper roll, empty like this, cut it in half. Just cut that little bad boy in half. Spread it apart. Then take your wrapping paper and just wrap it around that roll, and it is going to keep your edges nice and smooth. It'll stay in place because it's flexible, and you will have a nice smooth roll of wrapping paper just like that. Have you got a Christmas gift that's got a sticker on it where the price tag was, or the price tag actually is a sticker, and you can get part of it off, but you can't seem to get the sticky stuff off? Well, I've got an easy solution for you. Tear as much off as you can. Get it down just to where the sticky residue is left. Once you've got the price tag down to where it's just the sticky residue, maybe even a little bit of paper left on there, just kind of ball it up a little bit, and you're going to take some peanut butter. Yes, peanut butter. Open up that peanut butter, get a little bit on your finger, take that fingerful of peanut butter and rub it on the packaging. The oil in the peanut butter is going to loosen up the sticky stuff on the sticker. You'll start to feel that sticky stuff ball up. The paper will ball up as well. And once you've rubbed your peanut butter in, just take a paper towel, rub it down real good, get the peanut butter all off, and your sticky stuff and the sticker are all gone, and your package is smooth. Uh-oh, we've got wrinkled Christmas ribbon. What are we gonna do, Aiden? What are we gonna do?
We're gonna curl it with a curling iron.
We're gonna fix it with a flat iron. You're exactly right. If you have satin ribbon that has gotten crumpled, just take your hair straightener, your flat iron, and just go straight down. Look at that. Smooth and perfect. Ready to wrap your Christmas package on your ornaments or on your tree. If you have lots of wrapping paper or gift bags and tissue paper, here's an easy way to store them. Just get yourself a simple garment bag. I got this one off of Amazon for less than $10. Take your wrapping paper and just place it inside the garment bag. You can put your gift bags in there too. Zip it up. Then just hang it either on the back of the door or in a closet. And that easily stores your wrapping paper in your gift bags, gets them out of sight, and then you can easily access them as well. Have your Christmas cookies gotten a little hard from sitting out, or they maybe were browned a bit too much? Some of your other treats gotten a little hard? Well, we have got a trick for you, don't we, buddy?
Yep.
Take a damp paper towel and layer several of them on a cookie sheet. Completely cover the cookie sheet with the damp paper towels, not soaking wet, but damp. Once you've got them down, lay your cookies down and just let them absorb the moisture from anywhere from 5 to 30 minutes. They'll absorb the moisture, they'll soften up, and no one will ever know that you had a Christmas boo-boo. So those are my 5 easy Christmas hacks to make your life a little less filled with hassle this holiday season and this Christmas time. All with things you already have around the house. Peanut butter, flat iron, toilet paper roll, garment bag. You probably already have every single one of those things. So I hope that you are having a wonderful, magical Christmas time. Happy Hanukkah to you as well. Until next time, I'm Carla, your Real Chick. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. It's right down there. Right down there. Hit that little red subscribe button. If it's red, you are not subscribed. If it is gray, you are subscribed. And go ahead and hit the notification bell next to it so that you never miss one of my upcoming videos where we're always testing something to see if it really does work. And in this case, these did. Until next time, keep your head, heels, and standards high, particularly like this high-heeled ornament that a dear, dear viewer, Tanya, sent me. Thank you, Tanya, so much for the wonderful ornaments. Merry Christmas to you, sweetheart, and Merry Christmas to you at home. I love you dearly. Bye-bye.